Biochemical Characterization of Transforming Principle. Frederick Griffith. He conducted experiment, but he failed to understand which substance that caused transforming of R strain into S strain. Three scientists, Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy. The three scientists worked on the same Streptococcus pneumoniae and observed the transforming principle carried out by Griffith. They purified biomolecules like DNA, RNA and proteins of Streptococcus S strain. S strain of Streptococcus pneumoniae. They purified biomolecules of like DNA, RNA and proteins of S strain of Streptococcus pneumoniae. And then they injected these purified biomolecules into mice. They applied proteases. That means in that mice only DNA, RNA present. They observe transforming. That means R strain that changes into S strain. They injected RNAs. That means they damage RNA. Even injecting the RNAs, they observe transformation. That means R strain convert into the S strain. Again, they injected DNAs. In such condition, this transforming not observed. That means they concluded that they are experimentally proved that DNA is the genetic material. So finally, they proved that Avery, McCarthy and MacLeod, they proved that DNA is the genetic material. By this biochemical characterization of transforming principle, they finally decided and concluded that experimentally proved that DNA is the genetic material.